To submit or not to submit, that is the question. And the answer is submit. What am I talking about? I am talking about submitting articles to article submission sites. I am sure you have seen them. They are places to go to submit your original articles about topics you are very knowledgeable about, and also sites to visit to acquire some fresh content for your site, blog, or eZine. Let me give you a handful of reasons to add your articles to these sites. First off, and to me most important, is that it gives you credibility. You are now the subject matter expert, SME. So, your article must reflect that expertise. Make sure your articles are well thought out, flow well, and get your point across. Second, along with your article, you will now have links all over the internet. The reason for this is you add a small resource box at the end of the article with some info about you and a link to your website. This will help with search engine indexing and also with popularity in the search directories. The next reason for submitting articles is free advertising. Your articles, along with links to your sites, will now be everywhere, giving your site the visibility it needs, and the best part is, all of this is free. The fourth reason to submit is money. You can earn cold, hard cash with AdSense ads, income from the products on your site, and affiliate links. You will have more visitors that will result in more money. You may even receive requests from eZines to write articles for them. Finally, you will gain the trust of your customers. They will consider you an expert and be more likely to visit your site and purchase your products. So, you can't lose. It doesn't take much time to write an article and submit it to many article sites. You will have fun, get visibility, and get to show off to your friends about what a great author you are.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.